better give up. King Gorge will crush yous all.
Don't you see, Sergeant? You have been affected by the Mongoose ooze. You must resist, or we are all doomed.
Ah, shut up! Soon you'll be one of us, a loyal servant of the Magu.
One of us, one of us, one of us.
Here she is, and it looks like she's running out of time. Let's move.
One of us! One of... Huh? Oh! Okay.
She's a giant bug.
She's pretty.
Chosen ones? Then the legends are true. I should have believed Shelley all along.
Shelly?
Guys, there's an aqueous thermal diffuser not far away. We need that for the rib zipper.
Look, it's over there. Wow, it's beautiful.
Dude, it's an espresso machine.
That's what I said.